I am Captain David Miller, the Commodore of LCS Squadron 2. It is my pleasure to gather here with the current officers and crew of USS Indianapolis Littoral Combat Ship 17 to honor the legacy and the memory of those sailors from heavy cruiser Indianapolis that was sunk on this fateful day 75 years ago, July 30th, 1945. After a kamikaze hit in 1945, Indianapolis was overhauled in California and given a fateful mission, transporting materials for the first atomic bomb dropped on Hiroshima, which would bring about the end of World War II. After dropping off supplies in a naval base on the island of Tinian, Indianapolis, the 5th Fleet flagship, was hit by 2 Japanese torpedoes about 12:15 a.m. while sailing in the Pacific between Guam and the Philippines. Of the nearly 1,200 sailors on board that ship, only 316 would make it back home alive. Today, their honor and their spirit carries on in this great warship in the motto, "The Legacy of War," as we recognize the hope that they bring to today's sailors. Today, we offer our deepest respect and gratitude to the Indianapolis sailors who gave their lives for their nation back in 1945. We honor their families. We also celebrate the survivors, those pulled from the water after facing extreme danger, dehydration, and fatigue. We revere the extraordinary bravery and heroism shown by every sailor who, in the face of utmost danger, continued to fight the ship, dauntless in their pursuit of patriotism and completion of their mission for the sake of their beloved nation. The courage, strength, and selflessness displayed that faithful day lives on in today's sailors and emboldens them to achieve beyond the limitations of fear. Because beyond fear lies hope, the same boundless hope that USS Indianapolis' name and legacy continues to inspire. Thank you for all of that you did then and all that you continue to do to live on in these sailors.